This video will guide you through the process of creating in-demand online courses, from identifying profitable topics to marketing and scaling your business. Accessibility. Online courses provide accessible learning opportunities for individuals worldwide, connecting people across geographical boundaries. Flexibility. Learners can access courses at their own pace, seamlessly integrating education into their busy lifestyles and personal schedules. Diverse topics. A wide range of subjects are available, catering to varied interests and professional development goals. Needs and goals. What problems do they face? What skills do they want to acquire? Demographics. Age, location, occupation, interests, and other relevant characteristics. Learning style. Do they prefer visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learning methods? Passion and expertise. Focus on topics you're passionate about and have in-depth knowledge of. Market demand. Research popular topics and trending skills in your niche. Financial viability. Consider the potential market size and the pricing strategies for your course. Surveys. Gather insights from your target audience on their needs and preferences. Forums. Engage in online communities to understand discussions and challenges faced by your target audience. Keyword research. Identify popular search terms related to your course topic to gauge interest and demand. Identify competitors. Research existing courses in your niche and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Analyze content. Review competitor course content, teaching methods, and learning materials. Pricing and marketing. Study competitor pricing, marketing strategies, and promotional tactics. Differentiate. Identify gaps in the market and offer unique value proposition to stand out. Learning objectives. Define clear learning outcomes that students will achieve by the end of the course. Modules and lessons. Break down your course into logical modules and individual lessons with a clear flow. Topic breakdown. Organize topics within each module and ensure a smooth progression of learning. Assessments. Include quizzes, assignments, or projects to evaluate understanding and provide feedback. Self-paced learning. Learners progress at their own pace and complete modules on their schedule. Live online sessions. Interactive sessions with a live instructor and opportunities for real-time engagement. Blended learning experience. Combines online content with in-person activities for a holistic learning experience. Engaging text. Write clear, concise, and easy-to-understand content that is relevant and engaging. Visual aids. Use images, graphics, and other visual elements to enhance understanding and retention. Interactive activities. Incorporate quizzes, exercises, and interactive elements to make learning more active. Downloadable resources. Provide supplementary materials, such as worksheets, templates, or cheat sheets for further reference. Videos. Record high-quality video lectures, demonstrations, or interviews to enhance understanding and engagement. Quizzes. Create interactive quizzes to test comprehension and provide immediate feedback to learners. Interactive elements. Incorporate polls, surveys, and other interactive activities to keep learners engaged and involved. Bloom's taxonomy. Design activities that cater to different levels of cognitive skills, from knowledge to application and analysis. ADDIE model. Follow a structured approach to course development, including analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. A systematic content creation workflow is essential for producing high-quality, online courses efficiently. By establishing clear processes for video production, editing, and assessment design, instructors can create engaging and professional learning experiences that keep students motivated and support their learning objectives. Value-based pricing. Price your course based on the value it provides to students and the benefits they will receive. Competitive pricing. Research competitor pricing to understand the market and position your course accordingly. Bundle discounts. Offer discounted packages for multiple courses or for early bird registrations to attract more students. Compelling headline. Capture attention with a clear and concise headline that highlights the benefits of your course. Value proposition. Clearly communicate the value your course provides and the problems it solves for your target audience. Social proof. Include testimonials, reviews, and success stories to build credibility and trust with potential students. Strong call to action. Use clear and compelling calls to action to encourage students to enroll in your course. Lead magnets. Offer valuable free resources, such as ebooks, cheat sheets, or webinars to attract and capture leads. Email sequence. Nurture leads with targeted email sequences that provide valuable information and build anticipation for your course. Sales page. Direct leads to a compelling sales page that highlights the benefits and value proposition of your course. Blog posts. Create informative and engaging blog posts related to your course topic to attract a relevant audience. Videos. Produce short, informative, and engaging videos related to your course content to promote your expertise. Podcasts. Host a podcast to share insights, interview experts, and provide valuable content related to your course topic. Social media marketing. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and build a following on relevant social media platforms. Influencer outreach. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your course to their audience. Lead magnet. Offer a valuable free resource, such as an ebook or checklist, in exchange for email addresses. Segmentation. Segment your subscriber list based on interests and preferences to deliver targeted content. Automations. Set up automated email sequences to nurture leads, promote courses, and provide updates. Content value. Provide valuable information and insights related to your course topic to attract a qualified audience. Live interaction. Engage with participants through Q&A sessions, polls, and interactive activities. Course promotion. Promote your course at the end of the webinar and offer special discounts or bonuses to incentivize enrollment. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience uses to search for information related to your course topic. On-page optimization. Optimize your course website and sales page with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and high-quality content. Off-page optimization. Build backlinks to your website from other reputable sources to improve your search engine ranking. Enrollment rates. Track the number of students enrolling in your course to assess marketing effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Completion rates. Monitor the percentage of students who complete your course to measure student engagement and satisfaction. Student feedback. Collect and analyze student feedback through surveys, reviews, or forum discussions to identify areas for improvement. Review feedback. Regularly collect and analyze student feedback to identify areas for improvement and address concerns. Update content. Refresh outdated information, add new content, and incorporate relevant updates to keep your course current. Enhance engagement. Experiment with new features, interactive elements, and multimedia to enhance the learning experience. Outsource tasks. Delegate tasks like video editing, content creation, or customer support to free up time for strategic initiatives. Develop new courses. Expand your course offerings by creating new courses on related topics to cater to a wider audience. Partnerships. Collaborate with other online educators or businesses to reach a larger audience and promote your courses. Digital products. Create and sell complementary digital products like ebooks, worksheets, templates, or software. Coaching services. Offer personalized coaching sessions or group coaching programs to provide in-depth support to your students. Content consistency. Regularly create and share valuable content on your website, blog, social media, or podcast to establish yourself as an expert. Engage with your audience. Actively interact with your followers, respond to comments, and participate in online communities to build relationships. Showcase expertise. Share your knowledge and insights through articles, videos, webinars, or guest appearances to demonstrate your authority. Affiliate programs. Partner with businesses or educators to promote products and earn commissions through strategic referral networks. Strategic partnerships. Collaborate with complementary organizations to cross-promote courses and significantly expand audience reach. Discussion forums. Create a forum or online community where students can connect, ask questions, and share their experiences. Live Q&A sessions. Host regular live Q&A sessions to answer student questions, provide guidance, and foster interaction. Student projects. Encourage collaboration and engagement by assigning group projects or challenges that require teamwork. Professional certifications. Offer certifications that validate student knowledge and skills, enhancing their credibility and employability. Accreditations. Seek accreditation from recognized organizations to increase the credibility and value of your courses. Privacy policy. Develop a comprehensive privacy policy that protects student data and complies with relevant regulations. Terms of service. Clearly outline the terms and conditions of your course and the responsibilities of both you and your students. Intellectual property. Protect your intellectual property rights and ensure that your content is not used without authorization. Emerging technologies. Stay informed about new technologies, such as virtual reality or artificial intelligence, that can enhance online learning. Learning platforms. Keep up with the latest updates and features of popular online course platforms to optimize your course delivery. Industry trends. Monitor trends in your industry to identify new course topics or update existing courses to remain relevant. By following these steps and staying committed to continuous improvement, you can create in-demand online courses that help learners achieve their goals and build a successful online education business.